In this video, we will learn about layout view and why it is used. This concept is very important when we work with ASP.NET Core MVC. As we can see, this is a layout file which is inbuilt when we create a project. A layout view is a master page or a common template. It is used to keep common code such as header, navigation bar, footer here, and scripts in one place. Instead of writing the same code again and again in every page, we use layout view. We can think of a website in which every page has the same header, menu, and footer. Only the middle content changes. And we can create our multiple layout files by going on shared file, right clicking it, add, and then go to new item, and this add new item dialog box we would write razor page. In this we can give other name also instead of layout. The render body is used as a placeholder. It decides where the content of other views will appear inside the layout or not. Because of this layout view file, we doesn't need to write any HTML code in our other view files such as index or submit. We just need to write layout path which is in views shared and layout.cshtml. And then we will write the title of the page which will be passed in our layout view file. The same thing we will write in our submit.cshtml and change the title page to success. And then we will run our code. So we will go to inspect and see this is our whole file. In this we didn't write HTML code, HTML structure in our pages, but still these are present. See, this is a report form and these all are header and the content. This is our script, and this maintain the consistent design which easily update our UI from one place to another. We can see that without layout view we must write header footer code in every page, but with layout view we write it only once. This makes our code more clean, reusable, and easy to maintain, such that see we doesn't have written header and footer in our view file, but it is showing because it is present in our layout. It reduces code duplication and maintain consistent design.